Hello viewers, how are you all? Today in our Exploring Pakistan series, I am going to tell you about Bahawalpur, the city of Nawabs, the princely state. The city, which lies just south of the Sutlej River, was founded in 1748 by Muhammad Bahawal Khan after migrating to the region around Uch from Shikarpur, Sindh. The princely state in Punjab boasts a treasure of historic buildings, monuments, parks and many more that one has never heard of. Bahawalpur is the 11th largest city in respect to population, which has a population of 762,111 people. Now a little about the rich history of Bahawalpur. Founded in 1748, Bahawalpur was the capital of the former princely state of Bahawalpur, ruled by the Abbasi family of Nawabs until 1955. The Nawabs left a rich architectural legacy, and Bahawalpur is now known for its monuments dating from that period. The city also lies at the edge of the Cholistan desert. The area known as Bahawalpur state was home to various ancient societies. The Bahawalpur region contains ruins from the Indus Valley civilization as well as the ancient Buddhist sites such as the nearby Patan Minara. That was the region's history. Now more about the history of Bahawalpur in association with Pakistan. We all know about Sir Sadiq V. Sir Sadiq was the 12th and last Nawab of the state of Bahawalpur. In his lifetime, the state of Bahawalpur acceded into Pakistan. The legacy of the last Nawab remains eternal due to his character. Did you know that he was less than 3 years old when his father passed away and he became the new Nawab of Bahawalpur? Of course, he was too young to rule, so a regency was formed to administer the state. He spent most of his early childhood in England to attain his early studies. He spent most of his time in England with the royal family. Due to this, he had an obvious sophistication and an esteemed personality. Upon his return to Bahawalpur, he attained his formal education from the Atchison College in Lahore. Sir Sadiq gave special donations and his services to the inception of Pakistan, like donating his personal properties. In recognition of his services to Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam gave him the title of Mohsin-e-Pakistan. Even to this day, you'll find exceptionally built schools, colleges, universities, libraries with amazing architecture, which were built by Nawab Sadiq. Some of the amazing and famous mahal or palaces in Bahawalpur are Noor Mahal, Darbar Mahal, Sadiqgarh Palace, and some forts are Dirawar Fort, and there is an amazingly built Abbasi mosque which is built exactly like a mosque in Delhi. The city of Bahawalpur has many gates as well: Farid Gate, Multani Gate, Dirawari Gate and many others. The most beautiful thing in Bahawalpur is the fountain placed in Fawara Chowk. The fountain was gifted by the Queen of the Great Britain to the Nawab of Bahawalpur. Some more attractions of the city include the Dring Stadium, a major Asian athletic facility. The city is a seat of Islamia University and Quaid-e-Azam Medical College, and it's an important agricultural training and educational center. Soap making and cotton ginning are important enterprises. Cotton, silk, embroidery, carpets and extraordinarily delicate pottery are all produced in Bahawalpur. Factories producing cottonseed oil and cottonseed cake are also located in Bahawalpur. If someone is coming from an urbanized area, he'll find Bahawalpur to be a peaceful and he'll be shocked to find the simplicity and generosity of people. Despite having a simple background, the city of Bahawalpur is very exceptional in respect to cleanliness. Living in Bahawalpur, you can attend the Cholistan Jeep Rally. The rally initiates in the Dirawar Fort. You'll find exceptionally good quality of education in Bahawalpur with plenty of options like APS, Sade Public School, PC, etc. There are two places in Bahawalpur that you should definitely visit when you're there. The first one is the Shahi Bazaar and the other one is the Shadra Food Street. There are local hotels like Baba Nasir Cholewala and the list goes on. To get the real experience of Bahawalpur, you really have to visit the bazaar and experience all those things and the history, the rich history of Bahawalpur. I'm sure that you'll be very interested to visit the city after watching the video. To know about more rich cultures and amazing cities in Pakistan, do subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.